So here we are, today, finally, the time is now, the game changer, the ROG phone. So again, you're at an ROG event, being an ROG product, having excellent performance is pretty much a prerequisite. All right, so let's just get out of the way. These numbers are just the preliminary testing results from back in the lab. And already you can see that we're outperforming the leaders in smartphone industries. And there are actually still so much power from the SoC that only a product from ROG can realize and can make it available to the gamers. So with that note, please help me welcome our great partner from Qualcomm up onto the stage.
Which makes us even more excited to contribute to this high growth category with ASUS as we give the ROG community literally a jolt with the new ROG phone powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845.
And I'm going to let you in on a little bit of how we achieved this. So the way to do it is through a combination of many different thermal innovations, including 3D vapor chamber. And again, true performance is really achieved through a combination of hardware and software. So this is the software side of things. We have something called the X mode. With X mode, it actually tweaks and pushes the system setting for more horsepower. So for ROG phone, we actually did opt for AMOLED, but we took it one step further by implementing a dedicated image processor to process HDR. ROG phone designed 2 air triggers by ultrasonic sensor for more intuitive gaming control. Now here we even designed a really nice interface for the gamers to map their current on-screen control to the air triggers. So by doing this, we hope to enable gamers to be able to use this feature with a wide variety of games that they already play. So at the same time, gaming is about control, gaming is about immersiveness. And that is why ROG phone has adopted an advanced stereo haptics. The ROG phone comes with advanced WiGig technology, and the product that we have worked for so long. Ladies and gentlemen, the ROG phone, right here. So ROG is really made of a group of people who dares, and our products are made for those who dare.